Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to our Monday tutorial. Today is the last day I'm going to be featuring the Frosted Gingerbread Sweet. Unfortunately, this is no longer available. However, the project I'm doing today, a cute little treat box, can be done with any stamp set, any designer paper, you know, whatever you want to do. You can fit any type of snack in it. I had found some cute little gingerbread cookies, so that's why I'm using this sweet, but you can use it for any occasion. Okay, so let's get started. I will post the measurements on my blog, so the link is below, and then if you place an order this month, there's also a link below with a host code, and you will get something free in the mail today. Okay, so I'm starting out with this piece of real red cardstock. It's 3 3/4 wide by 8.5 inches long, and on the 8.5 inch side, I scored it at 3, 4, 7, and 8. So we are just going to fold on the score lines. All right, and I'm going to use a little bit of tear and tape. I'm going to find where it starts, and we're just using it on this small panel right here at the end. All right, we're going to peel this off, and I'm going to adhere it to this side, and the easiest way is just to lay that out and flatten it, and that way you know it's all going to be square. So I'm going to go ahead and just decorate the top of my box. So I have a piece of basic white cardstock, and I'm just going to put the measurements on the blog, and then I have a piece of kind of this diagonal stripey paper. What's on the other side? Oh, it's kind of a little red frosting type paper, but I think I'm going to do diagonal on this one. Either side would look cute though. All right. Now we're just going to glue this to the front panel of our little box. This is actually the sleeve because there's no way to hold anything in. You can see through there. This is a sleeve. And with this, I've got a little piece of basic white that's die cut from our stitched rectangles. And I'm going to stamp. You're the icing on my gingerbread, but you know, I think I'm going to do it in cinnamon cider. Yeah, I think we'll do it in cinnamon cider. We could do it in real red, but I'm going to use the cinnamon cider this time. And I'm stamping it a little bit higher, not in the center, I'm doing it a little bit higher. Now, we could make our box going this way, or we could do it up and down, you know, portrait or landscape. But I think I'm going to go portrait style on this one because I've die cut a couple pieces out of the paper, and that tree's pretty tall. So I'm going to do it going tall, the tall way. Just like that. And then, so that way my tree's not, you know, hiding my words. It hides a little bit of the flourish, but I'm just going to put it right there so it doesn't cover the words. And we'll pop our snowflake up. I'm just going to put one pop up in the middle. It doesn't have to be crazy. Let's see. Okay. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of bling while we're at it. I love red rhinestones for the holidays. I'm going to put one there, and then I'm going to dot my eyes with my rhinestones. I think there's one more eye on gingerbread. It might be a little bit big, but that's okay. Whoops. I feel like if you're going to dot your eyes, you better dot all your eyes. Okay. Isn't that cute? All right, now we're going to make a little slider box to go in there. So I've cut this real red cardstock at 5 by 7 3/4. And then on the 7 3/4 side, I scored it at 1, 2, 5 3/4, and 6 3/4. Then on the short side, I did it at 1 and 4. So this is going to give us 1-inch sides all the way around. And we're going to do a little bit of cutting on these short ends. So I'm cutting right on these side score lines up to the second score line, and then I'm going to cut off the corner. So it's just going to leave me with these 2 small panels here, and then these 2 here. And I think I might actually just trim, just kind of cut off my corners, or miter my corners. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Cut off that one, and then we'll go ahead and trim the corner. Okay, and then one last one. Cut off that one, and trim our corners. Okay, now I'm going to fold on all of my score lines. Over here on all the score lines. Just make sure everything is creased well. All right, so we are going to add some tape to our 2 ends. And that's actually the only tape we are going to use. And I'm just going to peel that off. And then this has 2 panels right here that are going to fold up, but we're going to bring our sides in our small tabs in like this. And then we're going to bring this up and around and press it into place with our tape. So if you had a chance to put together any of our Tombstone treat boxes, it's very similar to how those are assembled. Some of the easiest boxes we've ever put together. And we're going to do the same on this side. And that's it. It has a nice finished look on the inside. The outside's nice and smooth. And then this will fit right into our little treat holder. In theory, might be a little snug at first. We got to get it going a little bit. Okay. Perfect. Nice, it's definitely not going to fall out. Might be a little snug, but that's okay. And then look at these adorable gingerbread guys. It's from Fieldstone Bakery. They're gingerbread men. I just found them on Amazon, but they're a little soft, so you want to be careful. These are not crunchy cookies. These are soft gingerbread cookies. So we'll pop 2. There's room for 2. So we're going to pop 2 of those in there. Those are my last 2. And there you go. Super quick and easy. I will post measurements and supplies on my blog if you want to make some of these. And thanks so much for stopping by and watching my video today. Make sure to check back Thursday. We're going to start showcasing some of our new upcoming celebration items that you can earn for free with a $50 purchase. All right, thanks everybody. Have a very Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.